Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share a product which I discovered last week at the Priceline Beauty Prescription Live event. And I'm going to say of all the products there, this is in my top 5 of products I'm most excited to try. And that is the Glam Pro by Manicare Magnetic Lashes. Now, you may have seen some other magnetic lashes on the market, and I'm going to tell you now why these ones are different. The other ones you may have seen have the magnet on the lashes and then they adhere to your lash and connect. But these are different. They actually have a magnetizing eyeliner. So you lay the liner down first and then the lashes clip on or connect to the liner. It's freaking genius. I was like, I need to try this, especially because a couple of weeks ago I saw Tati doing a review on some magnetic lashes with a similar concept. So I was like, this is everything. I need to try this. And you guys know I thought I would wait, jump on, we'll do it together and we'll see exactly how it works. So if you'd like to see me apply these, keep on watching. So I was kindly gifted 2 sets of lashes and some of the liner. The first set is a natural set and that is in Willow. Now, as you can see on the lash band, you've got those 3 points. Now, they are the magnets, so that's going to adhere and, well, not adhere, but that's going to connect to the magnetizing liner. Then the other set that I have is a more intense set, and that is the Khloe. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going glam, so I'm going to do the Khloe set, and I've never used these before, so I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. So let's just get stuck into it and see how they work. So the first step says to try on lashes to check fit and trim if needed without cutting off outer magnets. So this is how they come. They have the right and left written on. Okay, so I'm going to just measure up the left. And I've got a pair of tweezers just to make that a touch easier. They're connecting to the magnet. Yeah. So I'm not going to trim them. I'm just going to keep them as is. But I'll pull you in for a close-up so you can see. So there are those little magnetic strips. And that's what's going to connect to the liner. Step 2. Apply eyeliner on the top of eyelid along natural lash line. Leave to dry for 60 seconds. So that's really thin so you can get a nice precise line. Okay, so now I'm going to let it dry. I definitely went probably a little too high above the lash line, but I'm just so used to always having a thicker liner. Okay, so I think it's been about 60 seconds. Liner was great. I thought it applied nicely. It's nice and black, not patchy. So now the moment of truth. And I'm going to start in the middle. Oh my God. Okay, get off my tweezer. Holy crap, you guys. They freaking work. My life has been changed. They look so good. Okay, time for the left. Oh my God, you can just feel it connecting straight away. Oh my God, these are everything. Everything. Oh my gosh. If you struggle applying lashes, you need these in your life. I mean, all you have to be able to do is just line your eyeline with some of the liner and it literally just connects straight away. You can feel like the force between the magnet on the lash and the liner. But like this one, if I've made a bit of a mistake or if, you know, I don't position it exactly where I like it, no problems. I don't have to reapply. There's no glue. There's no mess. It's just like, boop. Wow. This is incredible. I want more of these already. I'm like, sure, this is incredible. So what do you guys think? Are you a fan? I am so impressed. I Was a little skeptical, didn't know how it was going to work, didn't know how the liner was going to feel, but my eyes feel fine, no sensitivity, and those little magnets just connect straight away. So it literally saves me so much time, especially if you have one lash that just kind of isn't sitting right and you need to readjust it. It's super easy. You don't even need tweezers. You can just use your fingers. It's just that easy. So these guys are available at Priceline. I don't know how many sorts or different styles they come in, but I definitely want to get more. I think another great thing is you can mix and match them. So say in the day, if you want a more natural look, pop these on. Then if you're going out after work, take the glam set with you, pop them on, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.